Dear third prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Mahmud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have the first lesson in Unit 2. The lesson is called Set of Zeros of a Polynomial Function. Okay? In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to learn what is the meaning of the set of zeros and how can we identify or finding the set of zeros or the values which make the function equal 0 in the function. Let's start the lesson. Okay, first we'll start with this example. He asked me find z of k. What's the meaning of z of k? Z of k means zeros of the function k. Again, z is the abbreviation of the word zeros. Zeros of the function k. Okay, what does it mean, zeros? Zeros means the values which make the function equal 0. We know that the function have many values or many solutions. Okay, I need the values which make the function equal zeros because we need this one in lessons to find the solution set, because the zeros are the solutions of the function, or to find the zeros to ignore them to find the domain. This is what we are going to learn in the next lessons. Okay, the first step, I'm going to put 2x minus 6 equals 0, and I'm going to solve this equation. I'm going to send 6 to the right side, it will be 6, and send 2 down, it will be 6 over 2 like this. So x equal 3. So z of k equal 3. What does it mean? It means the values which make the function k equal 0 is 3. Or by another meaning, by putting here 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, minus 6 equal 0. So 6 minus 6 equals 0. It's okay. So the zeros of the function is 3. Okay. Number 2, by make x power of 2 minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. This is second degree equation, so I'm going to factorize this one. Okay, I'm going to write x here and here. And because I have now negative, so I'm going to write two different signs, negative and positive. 10 equal 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. I'm going to choose 2 and 5 because the difference between them is 3. So I'm going to choose 5 and 2. But I'm going to put 5 in place of the negative sign. Again, I'm going to write 5, which is a bigger one, okay, in place of the middle sign. So I'm going to write 5 here and 2 here, like this, equal 0. So x equal positive 5 and the x equal negative 2. Okay, again, x equal positive 5 and the x equal negative 2. So zeros of the function k are 5 and negative 2. It's very easy one. Number 3, here k of x equal 8. This is a constant function. So I'm going to search about the values which make this function equal 0, and it's impossible because in this case I have all of the values will be 8. Again, all of the values will be 8. So there isn't any number makes the function equal 0. So z of k equal 5. Okay, and this is a special case. Another one, if k of x equal 0, here by making any number inside x, the result equal 0. So all values of r make the function equal 0. So z of k here equal r. And this is also a special case. Now let's solve another example for finding the set of zeros of the function. Okay, find the set of zeros of each of the following polynomial functions. The first one, x power of 2 minus 16, by make x power of 2 minus 16 equals 0. I'm going to send 16 to the right side, so it will be x power of 2 equals 16. I'm going to take the square root, so x equal negative or positive square root 16, which is negative or positive 4, like this. So x has two values, 4 or negative 4. So z of f equal, or zeros of the function equal 4 and negative 4. Okay? Another one. X power of 2 plus 49, make it equal 0. By send 49 to the right side, so x power of 2 equal 0 equal negative 49, like this. By taking the square root for both sides, so x equal negative or positive square root negative 49, like this. And we know that square root negative 49 is meaningless. So now I haven't any zeros for this function. So z of f here equal 5, because there isn't any value equal, make the function equal 0. Number 3, x power of 2 minus 10x plus 25 equals 0. By looking carefully to this one, this is a perfect square. Again, this is a perfect square. How do I know it? I know it because the first one is a square, the third one is a square, it has a square root which is 5, okay, and 2 times root the first and to root the third equal 10. So this is a perfect square. So I'm going to open bracket all power of 2, and inside the bracket I'm going to write root x power of 2 and root 25, which is x and 5, and drop the middle sign down. It will be like this. So open bracket power of 2, square root x power of 2 equal x, square root 25 equal 5, and drop down the negative sign down. So x minus 5 all power of 2 equal 0. I'm going to take square root 0. Okay, so x minus 5 equals 0, 0, so x equal 5. So z of f or z of g here, because this is g, z of g here equal 5. Finally, this is the last example with us. X power of 3 plus 7, x power of 2 minus 18, x equals 0. First, I'm going to take x as a common factor because x is repeated in the 3 terms, like this. Now I'm going to factorize this expression. So it will be x and x minus 2, x plus 9, as I explained before. Now I have 3 values for x, 0, positive 2, and the negative 9. Again, 0, positive 2, and the negative 9. I switch the sign of the bracket to take the 0 of the function or 0 of the bracket. So I have now 3 values, 0, positive 2, and the negative 9, like this. And this is the zeros of the function. It's a very, very easy lesson, okay? And this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.